This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious custard mango ice cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 large, ripe mangoes, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 5 large egg yolks. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, a small pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk your 5 egg yolks with half of the granulated sugar until they are pale and fluffy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream, whole milk, and the rest of the sugar until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot cream mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until it coats the back of a spoon. Next, we'll add that wonderful mango flavor. Peel and dice your 2 ripe mangoes, then blend them into a smooth puree. Once your custard base has cooled slightly, stir in the mango puree and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything well to combine. Now, cover the mixture tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is completely cold. Finally, it's time to churn our delicious ice cream. Pour the thoroughly chilled custard mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's specific instructions, which typically takes between 20 and 25 minutes. The ice cream should reach a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours to firm up. Enjoy your homemade custard mango ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.